Hi, in this video we see how I'm making a stunning sparkle wall decor which saves a lot of time, money and moreover there is no messy glitter at all. First of all, I'm using a cardboard. You can use a cardboard of your desired size, then cut it and convert it into the shape of a canvas or a photo frame. Cut the four corners and fold it inwards, then use the tape to hold it in place and secure it. Then I'm using a Sequin fabric which is actually a 2 by 6 feet backdrop which I ordered online. It is really shiny with sequins all over it. It is two-way stretchy material, so we can stretch the size of the wall decor according to the material's stretch size. Then I'm gluing it into the inner side. Then I'm using mirror-like stickers. It is actually really simple to use. Just peel off the backing and the front stickers. Then you can press it into it. We can use a bit of extra glue if you're not sure about the strength of the stickers. It is not too heavy, so you can hang it on the wall or just place it on the tabletop like I'm showing here. I like it in both ways, and that's it. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you later. Bye bye.